Let's check out a deluxe studio room with an ocean view at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. So let's head inside our room to see what it's like. Oh, got a little kitchenette here when we first walk in. Looks like a small little refrigerator. Just some storage under the sink. What else do we have over here?
We've got a Keurig right here. They've given us some different K-cups with teas and coffees and all the things you need for your coffee.
See a little ice bucket over here.
We've got glasses, a small sink.
It's like a can opener in the back there.
We've got a microwave, some different plates, bowls, mugs, toaster, and some plasticware.
Across from the kitchenette, looks like we got a little place to hang up some things. We've got a little sink, vanity, mirror, and as you walk in, you have a bathroom with the door right here. We've got a tub shower, which does come with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So if you have little ones and you need to fill up the bathtub, you can. And you also have the shower up above. So I think I see a little hidden Mickey here, kind of, with the towels. And again, here is a look at your bathroom. And let's see, what do they have in here with the vanity? You do get a hair dryer. And it looks like just some storage. So what do we have in the closet over here?
Over here, looks like we have a nice closet with extra pillows and blankets. Does come with an ironing board and an iron, a suitcase rack, and a pack and play if you have a little one.
You do have a safe that you can use if you want to, and a number of different hangers. There's a look at the closet when we first walk in, and check out this room. So at the time of recording, it's actually dark outside. We'll walk you out to the balcony and show you the difference between the nighttime and daytime view. But this is where our son is going to sleep. It's 3 of us total. Let's see how hard it is to pull down. Nope, not hard. And check out the artwork. It's Dory.
Yeah, Finding Nemo theme.
Very cute. And some of the other artwork around the room. You got some different shells up on the wall. And oh, there you go. You turn the light on. Now it looks much better. So this is an option to sleep over here. And then we have, it looks like a queen bed, I believe. Right in between, looks like we got a standard outlet with 2 USB. And over here, we have a mirror. This little place to sit and storage as well.
Lots of storage under the TV, 6 drawers, that's pretty good.
So we got a pretty good sized TV with a Blu-ray player and a table and 2 chairs. And I can hear the ocean off of our balcony. Let's check this out real quick. Oh, wow.
There are no lights out here because if it's turtle season, they don't want any lights to distract them from coming up and laying their eggs.
So here on the balcony, we've got 2 chairs, this little table, and an amazing view. You can hear the waves coming in. We've got a little bit of a breeze out. It's at the end of April. The weather feels nice. It actually doesn't feel too humid. But here's a look at our ocean view at night. And here's a look at the view from our balcony in the daytime. But if you're up in the air between getting a standard view or an ocean view, we have really enjoyed the ocean view. It's really nice to hear the waves from inside your room. If you'd like to see more, we've also done a full tour video of Disney's Vero Beach Resort, checking out their pool, their slide, beach, and food options. We'll put a link to down in the pinned comment.